Choosing a good mechanical keyboard on a tight budget is not an easy task. You might get fooled by the company's catchy advertisements and buy a poor keyboard. That is why we took the responsibility to help you find the best mechanical keyboards on a low budget. So, in today's video, we are going to review the top 5 best budget mechanical keyboards you can buy right now.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
To start, we have the Ornata Chroma from Razer. This keyboard feels solid in hand from the moment you unbox it. Although it is a budget keyboard, it doesn't feel cheap from the outside. There's a slot for the cable to be braided under the body, and the detachable plush wrist rest adds more comfort to the user. It features full RGB lighting under the switches, which Razer calls hybrid mechanical key switches. The multimedia keys give you extra peace of mind for the media control. The Ornata Chroma has fully programmable macro support Razer Hypershift, which allows for all keys and key presses combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. The hybrid mechanical switches deliver fast actuations and distinct tactile feedback. The Razer Ornata Chroma does everything right that a mechanical keyboard must do. It is a great option from Razer for those who don't want to spend much on their keyboard. Next up is the Corsair K63, a backlit fully mechanical 10 keyless keyboard with Cherry MX red switches on it. The backlit comes with only one color, but this time Corsair's IQ software comes in handy. You can remap individually addressed keys through the software support. It has flip down legs on the back in case you want to incline the board but doesn't come with a wrist rest. You have to spend extra $10 to purchase Corsair's first party wrist rest, which is worth the money. The Cherry MX red keys perform exactly what you would expect with a smooth linear feel and excellent stabilization. Even at this price, you'll have dedicated media control keys and a volume adjustment wheel which will enhance your media consumption. So, if you don't need a number pad or full RGB lighting on your keyboard but still want to get a taste of mechanical keyboard, then the Corsair K63 is an excellent choice. Moving on to the next one is the Redragon K556 RGB backlit keyboard. It is a very affordable low-profile mechanical keyboard with 104 standard function keys. The keys have individual RGB backlighting with hotkeys to change between 18 different lighting effects and 6 levels of brightness. The outer membrane is made by a single sheet of aluminum which is quite durable, and with matte finish texture solid enough to protect it from scratch. It allows multi-keys to work simultaneously with high speed. Under the hood, you'll find Redragon branded brown switches with a Kale style stand, resulting in a very good stabilization. The K556 features a custom designed keycap that has been made shorter to reduce the time it takes for your actions to register. Overall, this is a solid RGB lit mechanical keyboard from Redragon which is durable, budget friendly, and has all the basic keys. Definitely a highly recommended keyboard. We all know G-Skill is a well-known computer accessories producer for several years, including RAM, mice, keyboards, etc. This This time, they came up with a budget-friendly mechanical gaming keyboard with a minimalistic look for the gaming enthusiast. It is none other than the KM360. It comes in 2 color variants, black and white. You can choose the color according to your PC setup. The KM360 is a mechanical keyboard having Cherry MX red switches. The clicky sound of this keyboard in gaming sessions will give you the inner satisfaction of a mechanical keyboard despite being a cheaper one. It doesn't come with RGB, but each key is individually lit, so you won't miss any click in a dark environment. The keys are spaced nicely and their shape is contoured, so you will feel comfortable pressing each key. On the back part, it has kickstand which helps the keyboard elevate more for convenient typing. The KM360 seems like a basic gaming keyboard, but it does all the basic things that other expensive keyboards are capable of. So if you want a good mechanical gaming keyboard under $100, then the G-Skill KM360 is the best option for you. The last and our number 1 pick is the Corsair K68 RGB. It stands out with its solid aluminum top plate and sharp, professional-looking black aesthetic. Inside, it is equipped with Cherry MX red switches, a full selection of media control keys, and a wrist rest for sheer comfort. It consists of a silicon membrane in each switch for dust and water resistance, which will give you extra peace of mind. It is a fully RGB backlit keyboard with 16 million color support. So you can now create stunning dynamic lighting effects and game-changing macros in Corsair Utility Engine software to match your style and give you an in-game edge. Dedicated volume and multimedia controls allow you to adjust your audio without interrupting your game. However, a dedicated Windows key lock mode ensures interruption-free gaming. In terms of software support, Corsair's dedicated iQ software is well managed and has a user-friendly software interface to enhance the usability of this keyboard. You can program macro keys and RGB lighting effects through the software. All in all, Corsair K68 offers some of the great features which you can only see in their flagship devices. So, you won't be missing a lot of premium features in this budget mechanical keyboard. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Insight.